Today we are at the InterContinental in downtown Miami. This location is so cool. We are right next to Bayside, right on the marina, so if you love boating, this is the perfect spot for you. There's so many things to do, and you're just a quick 10-minute drive from South Beach, Miami. Downstairs in the lobby is this super cute bar, and at nighttime it seemed to be poppin'. The fountain turned into a light show at night, and there was quite a few people hanging out and having a good time. Didn't rent a car? No problem. Check this out. They've got everything you need here. You need to ship a package, rent a car, rent a limo. They've even got a florist and a few restaurants on site. How awesome. I must say, the InterContinental is quite elegant, and the view from the rooms is so cool. The hotel faces the Port of Miami, so you get to watch all the boats go by and all the freight and cruise ships coming in and out. We're right in the middle of downtown, about a 15-minute walk from the airline's arena. You may know this hotel, though, for the dancing person on the side of it. How cute is that? The gym was definitely impressive. It was huge, and the view of the city is so nice. I took a quick peek into their spa. It wasn't open because it was after hours, but it looked super nice. They also do have a pool outside, but it was closed due to renovations. I did like, however, though, that I could go walk out there at night and admire the view. Would you stay at this hotel? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.